Dear friends, as you know, we have agreement with lecture notes 13. So in this video, I will help you how to browse the documents present in lecture.notes.in, and also you will be able to join the virtual classes by your faculty members. So first browse in the browser https lecture.notes.in. You will get the front screen. In the extreme right corner, you will find register or login. So click on register or login. Different options are there. You can join by using Google, or you can join by using your email. As you know, all your email IDs which are provided to us are shared with lecture notes 13. So they have created one user for you on behalf of Synergy. As a student or a faculty, you can join by using your email ID. So I am registered as HOD CSC. So I will join by using my email ID. My user ID is HOD CSC at synergyinstitute.net. I have not issued my password. So there is another option of forgot password. It will not help you because we have not received any password from lecture notes 13. But one thing we can do, we can log in by using OTP. So click on login with the OTP. So you will receive one email from lecture notes mentioning the OTP within 2 seconds. Okay, now I have received. Okay, the OTP is here. I have pasted the OTP. So I am now inside the lecture notes 13. Here is my dashboard. So the developers of lecture notes 13 created our classroom. So all the faculty members have registered with some classroom. They are known as the moderators of the classroom. They can do anything on the class. The students can join as a student. They can join the classroom that is created by the faculty member. So my classrooms are 8th semester e-commerce and ERP, 6th semester embedded system, 7th semester that will start in next semester, cryptography and network security. So I have created all the classes. So in my class, e-commerce and ERP, there are 73 members. The students can join to my classes. So no contents are available because I have not added any content to the course. So as a moderator, I can enter my classroom. I can manage my classroom. So the faculty members can manage. So I can create a post. I can provide some my lecture notes here, module wise, or in a single copy lecture. So I can take a live classes by using this. I can give assignment. I can create a quiz. I can add a quiz. create new quiz, and I can see the attendance. So you can see here all my students are present in this. So in my class, how many students are attending, how many are not attending, everything is recorded here. So if I want to take one live lecture, I'll click on this. So last on 29th May, I have taken one class. So now I can add a new class. I can start live lecture or I can schedule live lecture. So I can give the topic, time, submission deadline. So you can do like we are doing it with Zoom. So what is happening with Zoom? The same process can be applied here. So now this is my classroom. I can give assignment to students. So in manage, we have to add the assignment. We can add assignments here. The student can submit, students can read this assignment, can access this assignment and can submit their answers here. Students, so we can able to do this. So this is a very nice environment. So similarly, like the faculty members, the students can join. The process is same by using the OTP and the email ID. And I hope if you have any trouble in accessing all this, you can feel free to contact me on WhatsApp, mobile number or email. Thank you very much.